Yo, I'm continuing my project of creating a security system. Last week we went over adding a buzzer that sounds when the door is open. I still have my door connected. This simulates the door, so I'm going to just do a little review. I'm going to upload. That's cool. Sorry for the flashes again. It's kind of close. So I'm going to upload that like that. Right now, it does simulate that everything is clear, the door is closed, nothing is going on. So I'm gonna pull this out and it's flashing, so that's all clear. So now what I'm gonna do is add an ultrasound sensor. So I'm basically going to replace the door with the ultrasound sensor. I'm gonna take that out. And it's only still flashing because that code is active. So what I'm gonna do is just upload the default. Boom. All right. So we have the ultrasonic sound sensor, motion detector. It sends out sound waves, and it bounces back, and that determines the distance of whatever object is in front of the sensor. So if it's further away, the sound gets there. It takes longer to come back. It determines that the distance is further away, and if it's closer, then the sound waves bounce back, and it brings a shorter distance, and it determines that it's close. I tried to explain that as clearly as possible. So let's see. Let's clarify the screen here. On the back, where is okay? So we have 4 pins. We have one ground. We have an echo. We have a trigger, and we have VCC. The VCC is the power, which is the plus sign, a positive sign, and the ground is obviously a ground. It's negative. So wherever we have our ground pin is where we plug up our ground wire to connect to our ground output or outlet, or in a VCC, similar. We plug in our power wire, our positive wire, to the VCC. So what I'm going to do is go into the breadboard this time, so we can go anywhere on the breadboard. Not here, not here, but here. I'm going to put it here. Let's see if I can do it without. It's a little. There we go. It's going in. Don't force it in because you may break the pins. I'm kind of like guiding it in, and that's fine because the board itself is hitting the breadboard, so it's cool. All right, so like I said, we have the ground pin. Yeah, we have the ground pin. I'm going to use a black wire to signify the negative, and I'm going to plug that into the negative. I like to keep everything aligned, so let's see. And actually, I'm gonna take this up. I'm still not forcing it. Shimmy it out. I'm gonna put it on. Let's see. So I want to keep everything aligned right here. And that went in more smoothly than the last time. All right. So I'm gonna line it up. I'm gonna go here. And here. Then I'll take the red wire. And like I said, VCC is the power. So I'm gonna go here. There's 2 away. And plug that here. Now I have 2 more wires for the trigger and the echo. I'm gonna look on my guide to see exactly where they go, because these, like I said, this board is for the Arduino program on my computer, and they have to be coded to properly work. And I'll add the code in the description. So the trigger pin is for 8 and the echo pin is for 7. So we'll use this wire for the trigger. So we're gonna plug that. Which one is trigger? Which one is trigger? Which one is trigger? The one on the right, next to VCC. Sorry. So we have that right here, and I could, I could put them below right here, but I just like to keep everything information. And I'm going to, where am I going? I'm going into 8. So remember, the door that we did last time was at 9. We can keep the door there, but it's not necessary for this. I would actually like to try that and see what happens. So that is going to 8, and then echo is going, plug that in echo, and we're going to plug that into 7 all the way. My bad. Trying to hold the phone and do this at the same time. Yes, I have a stand, but it doesn't capture everything on the desk. It just kind of goes outward, not down. So everything should be connected properly because we followed our guide. And I'm going to move this back as much as possible. My computer's right here, but I'll move it back, see what happens, because I want the distance to be further as far as possible, so the green light can come on and indicate an all clear signal. So I'll go ahead and upload it. Uploading now. So we're in the clear, and I'm going to look at my serial monitor, and it indicates, that is a 17, that indicates inches. That is 17 inches away. So the ultrasonic sensor is capturing either that or the wall. And my hand just got in the way, so that's why I beeped. All right, so that's the all clear. Now we're going to take this mouse and move it in front. That's a warning, so something's getting closer. And that means there's a threat. It's coming closer. Something is coming closer. So, it's a security system. So, obviously it can indicate danger, or, it can give out a warning. It's a motion sensor. But, generally, this is just indicating that something is close. So the closer it gets, the more it beeps, the red light comes on. Further away, it does get slower. It goes into the yellow. The yellow light. Yellow. Yep, the yellow. And then you take everything away and it's green. So yeah, that's my project for this week. Like I said, I will post the code into the description. And yeah, that was it. All right.